Grok AI is locked behind a paywall now, and there's no way to use it for free anymore. But wait, I found a website that gives you free Grok access every single day. However, you can only use it a few times a day. It's not unlimited, but you can use it daily for free. Let's get started. All right, first, head over to this website. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're here, create a free account. Now, here's the interesting part. When you sign up, you instantly get 40 free credits, and on top of that, you get 60 free credits daily. So no, it's not unlimited, but you can keep using Grok for free every day, which is perfect for testing ideas, creating content, or generating AI videos regularly. After signing in, you can start using Grok immediately. Let me show you a quick example. I'm going to generate an image-to-video AI clip. First, upload your image right here, then paste your prompt here. After that, choose your aspect ratio, select the video duration, and finally, click on Generate. Now it'll take a few seconds to process everything. All right, the video is ready, and honestly, this came out really clean. You can preview the result here. And if you want to save it, just click the download button. And that's basically how you can use Grok AI for free daily without paying for a premium subscription. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.